Sarah was going to college next month. She had to live in a dorm. She needed to buy a lot of stuff. Today, she decided to go dorm shopping. She went with her parents and her brother. She made a checklist of everything she needed. The first thing she needed was bed sheets. She needed to buy bed sheets that would fit her bed. She found nice floral ones. She then bought a lamp and a mirror. She slowly got everything. She started checking off the stuff she had. She was ready for college. She put all her stuff into her suitcase.